One of Irving's favorite fall events is coming up fast, and that's the Great Harvest, which benefits Irving Cares. Teddy Story is here to give us the details. Great to see you as always.
Thank you.
So the Great Harvest is one of those things that sort of lets people know that fall is coming, and we're always so grateful for that here in Texas. But it's also a way to help one of Irving's most important organizations, and that's Irving Cares. So, and it's a great party. So what's coming up this year?
Well, this year it's Friday, September the 16th. It's a casual dinner for 400 at the Irving Convention Center. And our party is always a lot of fun. It is not stuffy at all. It's very casual. It's very festive, but really raising a lot of really good money to do the programs that we offer at Irving Cares.
Well, and you know, for folks who don't know what those programs are, and there may be a couple folks out there in the community who still aren't aware, can you kind of give us a rundown?
Yes, Irving Cares was founded in 1957, so next year we're going to have our 60th birthday. And what we do is very basic needs for Irving families. We help them with food, rent, utilities, but most of all jobs, to help people find a job that pays enough so that they no longer need help from Irving Cares.
I absolutely love Irving Cares' slogan.
Thank you. It's a hand up, not a handout.
Absolutely, because the last thing that you want to do is have people who are already down at their luck feel like they don't have any dignity.
Right.
And work is one of those things that brings dignity.
When you can take care of yourself, you feel a whole lot better.
Absolutely. So you mentioned that this is a fun party.
Yes.
So we should talk about that part of it too. It's a serious cause, but it's a really fun party. What's going on the evening?
We have some great auction items. We have there's a stay at Lake Tahoe. There's a crawfish dinner for 50. There is Lone Star Park for 20 of your friends. We have some great travel packages to Port Aransas. We have a new one this year that is a rod and reel fishing tour, clear water fishing in several different places to choose from across the United States.
Wow.
There is a Cancun trip, there is a Napa Valley wine train trip, just a ton of stuff to choose from. And one of the coolest things that we do to raise money that night is called the Silver Ticket Raffle. For $100, we sell 100 tickets. And they draw one of those 100, and that person gets to pick one thing off the live auction. So a 1 in 100 chance to win your prize.
Oh my gosh, you get to pick one of those incredible trips or dinners or fishing or, okay, I'm in.
You're in.
Absolutely.
Good.
So if folks want to buy tickets, who do they need to call, or do they go to the website?
Go to our website at irvingcares.org. It is an inexpensive ticket, only $125. Buys you some fantastic food that the chef at Irving Convention Center has prepared specially for us.
All righty, fantastic. Well, I know it's going to be a fun party because I've tried to come to all of them since you guys have done them.
This is the 26th.
Wow, the 26th Great Harvest.
Yes.
That makes me feel good just saying it. Yeah. So folks, go ahead and go to the website, irvingcares.org, get your ticket and take a look at some of these great prizes. You'll want that silver ticket, let me tell you. Thanks so much for being here, Teddy.
Kathy, we appreciate you.